What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as you can see, it does look as though we have actually started to come to the downside here and making a new lower low. A lot of altcoins over the past 2 days have come down and made new lower lows as price just continues to essentially roll over and roll over. A lot of shorts accumulating on a lot of cryptocurrencies at the minute. Every single bounce seems to be absolutely loaded with the shorts. You can see here pretty much every single time that we did, basically get a small bounce off of a low. You can see here, really not made any headway whatsoever back up to at least testing resistance. Lots of shorts coming in this area. We come down again and, the same thing has happened essentially here. We were expecting a little bit of a bounce back up at least to resistance, but it looks like the price has just been forced down yet again by people essentially just seeing the little bounce in the market and just shorting the market here. And you can see we've rolled over and come down and made a new lower low yet again. With the price action, you can see quite clearly here what has been going on. We are forming some bullish divergences here on the hourly time frame in this local environment as well. So we did get stopped out on this trade, unfortunately, but we would expect that Vechain is still probably going to have a bounce to the upside fairly soon. The price action has been very, very bearish, really, hasn't it, over the past few weeks? Really, ever since we were back here. We started to make some headway up, didn't we? But because of the FTX collapse, we came down here, making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. We finally get a decent bounce to the upside, but we don't make any headway at all, just chopping sideways. And then we've come down here, made new lower lows, and we are just continuing to trickle to the downside here by the looks of things. And realistically, you would expect that this trend is going to continue for some time until we start to see, the wider market picking up as well. Vechain looking like, it's basically lost support here, heading down towards the next swing low area. We would say realistically, the next big bit of support, we've got 1.5 cents that we're currently sitting in and around. That 1 cent level down here, as we said before, is probably the next bit of support that we are looking for, that we have highlighted here with this little gold line that we're looking for. Now that Vechain's lost this support, you can obviously see that we are just continuing to the downside here, lower lows and lower highs in this bearish downtrend of this bear market. But we do think, eventually Vechain is going to find support and start to pick up once it does find a key level of support. But for now, looking like we are just going to be continuing to the downside for the most part, making lower lows and lower highs. Although we could see some relief fairly soon, at least going sideways for a little bit, just because we're seeing some bullish divergences on the chart. But obviously, as you can see, a very, very large bearish pressure on the altcoin market over the past few days, forcing these altcoins, despite them being overextended, to continue to the downside. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.